I'm very happy to inaugurate the 73rd Bodo Literary Day here in the university. And in this on this particular day, the university has decided to start a research publication on the Bodo language, Bodo religion, and the Bodo activities and the culture, heritage, and other monuments. So this journal will cover so many topics, including some medicinal plants which are also available in this particular region. And accordingly, the Bodoland University, Bodo Department, and the Bodo Center, they will work together to bring out this international level journal, which was very much required from this region to highlight the Bodo community at the international level. And I'm sure that later on we will able to transfer this journal to other international publisher also like Springer or like elsewhere. I wish to also congratulate the BTC and ABSU for organizing a very illuminating, excellent, and very remarkable festival, Bodoland Mahotsav in Delhi. And this is basically also very much highlighting the Bodo community at the national and international level. And this Mahotsav will also help us in bringing out this particular international journey with the cooperation of the staff, with the cooperation of the students, and with the cooperation of society, with the cooperation of BTC and Assam government as well. Thank you very much.